We call this project a proof of concept because it is actually a proof of concept. So here at the farm we are growing potatoes, carrots, onions, red, yellow, cabbage, various kinds of beans, dill, probably something I forgot here, but a lot of different crops, and we use the tractor to almost everything that we have here at the farm. We also use it to cut the grass so that we feed the beds with grass to get enhanced soil structure over time, because here it's mainly clay, and clay is not the best soils to grow fresh food. So we want to enhance the soil structure over time without using additional nutrients which is not naturally grown around the area.